Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I want to speak about how to create elevation map. We need to them for create elevation map, and now I want to add them. Digital elevation model, add. This is add them. I want to work on this. And first we need to check the reference. It should be metric or UTM. Right click on them and select properties, and source, go to special reference. Yeah, that is okay, it is the UTM. So I want to reclassify them. Go to search, write reclassify, enter and select reclassify special analyst. Input raster, select them, click on classify. We have a highest and lowest altitude, and now I want to divide in 8 class. We have a different method, and now I want to select manual. From 2600 2800, 3000, 3200, 3400, 3600, 3800, and highest elevation. Then okay, specify the folder, write the name elevation, and save and okay. Yeah, done. And now I want to specify the area. Right click on elevation, properties, and copy the cell size. Right click on elevation, open at your table, add a new add field, area, type of them double, okay. Right click and field calculator, write a formula, I write this formula, then okay. Yeah, you can see here the area. Close the attribute table. Yeah, this is an elevation map. Thank you for watching.